my name is Austin. Welcome to Car Talks. I will be talking about the car's stats and my personal opinion about them. If I think they're good or bad. If you disagree with me, please write a kind comment in the comment section below. Back to cars. I will be talking about true facts that I've gotten from magazines or even just different websites or the actual company's websites. I will leave the car's website in the description below. If you would like to go buy that car, you can always click that link. And I will supply as good of information as I can on my channel. Simple facts that I will be discussing on my channel is the drivetrain, the engine, if it's horsepower, its torque, and the transmission, how much passengers it can hold, how the fuel economy is, how the cargo space is, and even the price. And also, I will be also expressing my own personal opinion if I think this car might get discontinued or not. It doesn't mean this car is going to get discontinued, it's just my personal opinion. If you would like to disagree or if you have any criticism, please let me know in the comment section below. All my facts usually come from magazines or websites, like I said once again. So, welcome to Car Talks. So, freely click any video that you would like to learn about any car. So please, subscribe.